when President Obama said they wanted to replicate our work, what I said to the folks in the White House was that this has to be a public-private partnership. The idea that this should be all on government, I think it means it's not going to work. And I think if it's all in the private sector, it's not going to work. That we've got to figure out a way to get these two major sectors working together on some of the toughest problems I think this country faces. And I think that to some degree we're trying to get both sectors to move closer together. We're trying to get the folks in the public sector to understand how the folks in the private sector think. I mean, this is all about numbers and data and outcomes and plans and strategies. On the other hand, we're trying to get the folks in the private sector to understand that this really matters to them. That 3-year-old kid that you don't think has any impact on your coffee business is not going to be able to afford a cup of coffee if we don't figure out some way of making sure that they can get a decent job. And you're not going to have great employees unless we get folks in education. That the first time I sat down with the business community and they told me, not what I do, that whole education, fix the kids who are poor, and they really felt that someone else was going to do that, to say to them, this is not going to get done unless we do it together, is I think the message I've been trying to bring to both sectors.